first impressions are important. They set the tone. Your flat entrance, it's the first thing people see. But don't worry, you can have a stylish entrance even on a budget. It's about being clever, making smart choices. Think of your entrance as a preview, a sneak peek into your style. What do you want it to say? Modern and sleek, cozy and inviting. Once you know your style, it's time to get to work. Start by decluttering. Get rid of anything you don't need. A clear space feels bigger and brighter, plus it's free. Next, clean everything. A good scrub can work wonders. Now you're ready for the fun part, decorating. Decorating doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of affordable options. Think about what you need. A place for shoes, a mirror to check your look. Once you know your needs, you can get creative. A colourful rug can instantly brighten your entrance. Look for sales or check online marketplaces. You can find unique pieces for less. A mirror is a must-have. It makes the space feel larger. And who doesn't love a last-minute outfit check? Plants bring life to any space. Head to your local garden centre. Pick up some easy-to-care-for greenery. Don't have a green thumb? No problem. Faux plants look great too. Paint is your secret weapon. It's affordable and it can completely transform a space. For a modern look, stick to light, neutral colours. Think white, grey or beige. These colours make your entrance feel bigger and brighter. Want to add some personality? Use a bold accent colour. Paint one wall a vibrant hue, or add a pop of colour with your accessories. Think throw pillows, artwork or even a colourful umbrella stand. Remember to consider the lighting. Natural light is best. But if you're short on windows, don't worry. Add some lamps or overhead lighting. Good lighting makes all the difference. DIY projects are a great way to personalize your entrance, and they're budget-friendly. Get creative and put your own spin on things. Turn old crates into storage shelves, or create a gallery wall with your favorite prints. You can find inspiration online. Websites like Pinterest and Instagram are full of ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best DIY projects are the ones that reflect your style.